how should individuals who feel that they've been red tagged go about this process? I mean, I'm sure you've got enough on your plate at Flag. What would be their first course of action should they feel that they're covered by this ruling?
Well, the first thing would be to document the incident. If you were red tagged online, then take a screenshot, see if you can trace the person or the identity of the one who did the red tagging, and then immediately consult a lawyer. There are many progressive lawyers around who would be willing to help. My organization is there, the Free Legal Assistance Group. There are other organizations. And because I think that with this ruling of the Supreme Court, it now provides really much more encouragement to us to have this practice stopped, because it is really an irresponsible practice.
Well, interesting enough, in the decision also, there is a special mention on the transition of the red tagging to social networking sites where frequent surveillance and direct harassment is being done. Can you, for one, protect yourselves against trolls?
You know, that was one of the issues when one of our regional trial court judges was red tagged by a former NTF-ELCAC official, Lorraine Batoy. She was trolled, and so many threats were made to her online. And of course, there's no way that we can prevent that from happening in the first instance. But I think this decision will make a lot of people think twice before they do that sort of thing. It's a call and a warning to them that you could be prosecuted, and cases could be filed against you if you do this, if you red tag.
Well, it's easier if the person red tagging you is a known personality. But what if they're anonymous? What can victims do in that case?
I would suggest that you bring the matter to the cybercrime, anti-cybercrime divisions of the Philippine National Police and the National Bureau of Investigation, and bring the matter as well to the National Privacy Commission. Because in many cases, red tagging is also a violation of our right to privacy. That's why there are many available remedies. It's just that we must really avail of them to put a stop to this pernicious practice.
Well, to be honest, there is so much difficulty already on that end. I mean, for one, scams, we can't trace those who perpetrate these scams. I mean, what more? The trolls who are anonymous online. I'm not sure what kind of help or assistance the anti-cybercrime division can make.
But I guess, as Attorney said, the first step is really documentation. We need to get as much documentation as you can.
Now, if you're taking it to court, you have to provide the evidence as well. I think that's how it works, right, Attorney?
Yeah, and you know, there are instances where our government agencies, like the cybercrime units, have been able to trace and identify specific persons. There are instances where they're checked and counter-checked also against posts made on Facebook and other social media apps. It's not as impossible as we think it is. May mga paraan din naman.